exported that video and it just worked.
We're working on it. Sayla's working on a short. She's supposed to be our human tripod because I can't find the tripod. Try to get the boys to do the intro.
What boys?
What?
What? What'd you say?
I said I tried to get the boys to do the intro.
I said, what boys?
Dad and Lincoln.
Oh, the men.
The men. I tried to get the men to do the... We'll see.
We look better.
Bless you.
Warp the board.
Warp it.
Warp it, girl. Liv, do you want to take a picture of you measuring and cutting, and then you can just cut all Lincoln and I completely out of it?
I'm gonna learn.
It's just her snapping.
We got another one. Hit me.
No, it was perfect. Because it was real. It was real.
Happened. Oh, this is bad. Real
Hey, that's not my fault.
Lincoln?
I think we're gonna measure 60 from this side. Yeah. Something's wrong with it.
We shouldn't have cut that.
Okay, here, just go.
You just want to use those ones for that and then use these for some other cut?
Wait, how much did you cut off? Like this much?
Bro, you stress.
What?
You be stressing her out.
I don't know. Because
I'm just here. Have a good time. Wait, so let me see. Don't cut them yet.
No, you should.
Try 72 and 72.
it should be, you can do a 60 and a 60.
That was not me. Is this side square? I doubt it.
Your mom's square.
Mom's square.
We are on day 2 of chicken coop building. What you doing?
I'm gonna make a short with the donkeys
Where'd you get the lay?
from work. I
The
work.
pros of working at a
Yeah.
vet
I
clinic.
was walking down, taking out trash, and one of the girls ran down the aisle and threw it over my head.
How wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, have fun. See ya. Okay, he got me this far, so he said he thinks I can do the bracings on here and back there. It's not like I'm 19 and should have learned to work with power tools already, but here I am learning. One is not flush over there. It's not flush on the bottom.
Pretty flush. This one or this one?
Yeah, feel underneath there. There's a lot of room. Would you make it flush on the bottom or the top?
I'd make flush on the bottom.
I've been encouraged to stop for the night because I still have to milk sheep before the sun is gone and feed lambs. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so we're on day 3 of working on this. Okay, so I got a couple staplers from my aunt. Using the Milwaukee, you know, my dad's a Ryobi guy, but my uncle is a Milwaukee guy, so gonna be using that. I also got chicken wire I need, plus dog food. I dropped all the staples. There's my work so far. I realized that this beam right here is supposed to be resting up here. Looks much better, but you can still see my flaws. All right, so we're on day 4. Day 4 of building the chicken tractor. I've got Chachi here to help me today. We're gonna put up some bracing. Let's do it. Oh, you know, the drill. Oh, no, not the drill. Oh, you know. Okay, don't move it if you can help it.
Okay.
Okay, now it's time for chicken wire.
And we just happen to run out of wire.
Yeah, well.
Right.
I got the kids to help me with the chicken wire, and they got, once they did that, they were kind of bored. So I had Dad kind of tell me what to do with these metal sheets. I had to cut this other metal sheet, and then he's gonna help me square it, and then I'm gonna do it all.
Your facial expressions are beautiful.
No, we didn't. We couldn't mess anything up, right?
It doesn't
But
So it looks like Olivia messed it up before you built
I
that.
don't know if this is